AI is moving fast. The question is, will your organization lead the change or chase it? This June, join us inside Microsoft for an exclusive executive experience focused on one thing: turning Agentic AI into real business outcomes. Hear from Microsoft AI leader Bruce Thompson as he reveals how today's most successful organizations are becoming frontier firms, using AI to drive innovation, productivity, and growth at scale. Then move beyond the keynote. Collaborate with peers in an interactive whiteboard workshop. See live demonstrations of Microsoft Fabric and Azure AI Foundry, and discover how leading enterprises are building intelligent, connected, and scalable AI ecosystems. Explore the critical role of AI governance, security, and responsible adoption. Connect directly with Microsoft and Royal Cyber experts during exclusive one-on-one strategy discussions tailored to your business priorities. Network with fellow executives over lunch, exchange ideas, build relationships, and learn how other organizations are accelerating their AI journey. This isn't another conference. It's a working session, a strategy session, a hands-on AI experience designed for leaders ready to take action. Join us at the Agentic AI Roadshow. Learn, collaborate, build, and start your journey to becoming a frontier firm.